to my channel, House of Braid. Today I will be showing you guys how to do a low ponytail braid with added extensions on my friend Adena. Hey. So basically how to complete this look. Actually, I'm gonna have you turn this way, maybe that'd be better. So how we will do this look is that we will first do a middle part. I like to use this little piece. I broke it in half because it's easier to hold on to. I will take the Roots Naturelle edge control and take a little piece of it and apply it directly on her hair part. And when you do it, don't just apply it like that. Make sure you hold both sides down so it applies evenly. After I apply the edge control on her edges, I just do that so you could see a little bit of it. It's kind of peeking through her ponytail. And then I love this Got to Be Glue Lasting Free Spray because literally it just holds all this shit down. Watch. Spray, spray, spray. Do you ever lay down your edges?
What's that? Does that mean
lay them down, girl? You never played with your baby hairs before?
No. Oh, like design them?
Yeah.
No, never.
No way.
You want to design them today?
Yes, I'm gonna do some.
Yeah, do some designs. I've never done anything with my baby hairs. Just kind of ignored them.
Yeah, you shouldn't. So now, to get the ponytail looking snatched, I sprayed this hairspray, the Got to Be hairspray, all over her hair. And once it dries a little bit, I like to comb it through. And then I like to apply heat on the hairspray because basically lays it down. You can use synthetic a little bit quicker. This is, I don't know how to really pronounce it, it's Outre or something. And it's pre-stretched, so the ends are feathered out, so it looks a bit more natural. And depending on the thickness of her hair, we can determine how many bundles we'll use. So basically the rubber band that it comes with, I'm just gonna wrap it around her hair. When you're doing a long ponytail like this, you know how usually people like to wrap their hair around the ponytail so it looks like it's their own? Mm-hmm. You take, so you basically take a strand of hair underneath. You're so funny. And you'll use this, and you basically will use this to wrap around the ponytail. I'm gonna clip this away. And basically we'll wrap this little piece. And I like to use this glue spray because this will help secure the strand that's wrapping around the ponytail. I love how Shauna's learning. Shauna's like, no way. Just spray that shit on there. Sorry, I'm making your back. I'll wipe you down.
Wipe it down.
Don't you worry. And just wrap it around like that. So this little piece right here, it's so little, but it's the tail end of the ponytail. You're just gonna wrap it around until it snaps off. So I'm gonna split these into a few pieces, not too thin. Here's one piece, put on her shoulder. And I'm gonna split this into 3 pieces and spray her down again. I honestly like to use product, especially when someone has thick ends. So that way when it dries in and I want to tuck in the hair while I'm braiding it, smoothly go in. So things that I do last really long. I feel like this ponytail will last you several days.
Oh my god.
So up to you if you want to wear it,
But it'll last.
it'll last.
Love it.
So I'm going to split it into 3 pieces. Okay. I'm going to take in my other piece of hair. And basically what you do, it's really not complicated to add hair. You just have to like add it into the braid. Like you just bring it in there. I don't know really how else to explain it, but
Where were you when I needed you for Halloween?
so if you feel like one of the strands of the braid is a little bit thinner, I just take strands from the other part of the hair and I grab a piece of it like that. I'll grab a piece and I basically will add it into the middle part. Okay, so now the braid is, since it's a synthetic braid, or hair, not braid, hair that I'm using, it's a bit stiff, as you can see, like look, it literally doesn't move. We don't want her to go out like that. You see, like it has this weird curvature. So I personally like to dip it in hot water. So I have one of these. I honestly don't know what it's called. Oh, it's Hamilton from Hamilton Beach. I'm just basically gonna, actually I can dip it in first. So I will take the braid, put it in here, dip it in, at least the tips in. See how hot it is. Oh, it is hot. And then I put like several layers of towels on her so she's not like burning while I'm doing this. But I'll just like pour it down on her braid. It basically will melt it. Now that I finished adding the extensions and dipping the hair in hot water, the hair is now flimsy. You see it's like not sticking straight out. I mean, you can definitely whip someone with this, but I think the other one was a little bit harder. And now it looks like more of her natural hair. So when we like take this off,